Welcome to today's video. Today we will try to guess the Repo monster by their voice. Okay, let's get started. Oh, my bad.
Welcome to Rush Quiz. In today's quiz, Seth,
Yo,
you
this
guess all the
voice is
monsters from the
so
game
cringe.
Repo. Before we start, I'd like to ask you to like this video and subscribe to the channel because it's very
Guys,
important to
don't
me.
go to
Here
Rush
we
Quiz.
go.
Do not like or subscribe. Subscribe to me.
Let's get started. Guess the Repo monster.
The robe.
Who does this terrible sound belong to?
Terrible?
That's right, it's a rogue. Next question.
That was kind of easy.
Any ideas?
Probably the chef.
Exactly, it's Chef.
Oh, let's go. Oh! Oh, that's the Hutsman for sure.
Did it seem to me or did someone shoot? Yes, this is Huntsman.
Yo, they're kind of giving away the pictures.
Find the odd gnome.
Yo, guys, let's find the odd gnome. I might suck at this. I suck.
Where you find the odd gnome in time, write in the comments.
The pickaxe is switched.
Are you ready to guess the next monster?
Yeah, that's for sure the gnomes. You can see an army of them. Nah, something's wrong with him.
Exactly, it's a gnome.
It's a gnome. It's multiple gnomes.
Who do you think is next?
Oh, that's the Reaper. Bro, look at this baby Ruget.
Reaper, scary doll with blade-like hands. Another monster is coming.
Something's wrong with the head, man. Oh, it's for sure that clown.
It's true, it's a clown, a terrible sight.
I don't care about that. Okay, skip. I actually do not know what this is. Let me guess. Up screen.
Yes, up screen.
Oh, I actually got that right.
Find 3 differences between the pictures.
I suck at this. Sorry, I suck.
Like if you found it. Subscribe if you didn't get it in
It's missing
time.
eye, the mouth. There.
Guess the monster.
I think that's Shadow Child or Hidden.
Yes, it's an invisible monster or just hidden.
Oh, that's the Predator, the duck. Apex Predator.
Alex Predator. Looks can be deceiving.
Alex Predator, it's the Apex Predator. Yo, what is this? Not Alex Predator. That's sad, man. Yo, it looks super creepy. What is this goofy ass music?
Yes, Headman.
Childhood music. That's the bang. Skeletons with dynamite in their head.
That's right. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, just bang.
Yo, what? That's strange. 200. I'll guess it's the Trudge. Oh no, the Shadow Child.
Shadow Child, that's right.
Oh, that's the Trudge. For sure. Okay, I'm gonna skip. Yeah, obviously. Oh, mentalist, whatever. So
Take care of your brain. This is Mentalist.
Peeper, Ruget, Animal, and Bowie. I don't even know how to say his name. Left. Put Ruget in. Oh, that's Bounty.
Bodhi, what a very strange goose.
Goose? Is he even a goose? Yo, show me your Ruget. Finally. Oh, I saw the Apex Predator in there.
Absolutely right. Alright.
Borgrat. It's Rugrat. Oh, that's the Stealer. I hate it.
That's right. Spewer!
Sorry for this cringe guy. Whatever. Like AI voice. Peeper or Animal? Oh, that's Peeper.
Eye of Sauron. Oh, that's not it. It's Peeper.
Has to be the Animal. Oh! Disgusting.
Animal, a very scary beast.
Beast. Looks so freaky.
I don't think I'll be able to click on the next video before time runs out.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Thank you for watching. Don't subscribe to Rush Quiz. Subscribe to me. Okay. If you want to watch another video, stay tuned. Please like, sub, and yeah, like, sub, and share. See you in the next video. Bye.